Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Hub. So today I am going to start with a new topic in web development in HTML section that is called anchor tag. So this tag is also called hyperlink. So anchor tag is very much useful for website because it is the core root of an website. Because in this, with the help of this, we can go from one website to another site, so from one link to the another link. So for example, if we have a website, okay, so let's say there is having home, about section, contact, all these fields are available. So clicking on the contact page gets open. This is only responsible for with the help of anchor tag. So anchor tag plays a very important role in web development. Okay, so let's get started with anchor tag. Okay, anchor tag has basically two properties. Okay, it is having generally two properties, that is internal as well as external. That means internal link we can do as well as external link we can do. External link means what? It is inside. Internal means what? It is outside. That is internal link, external links, both are important in anchor tag. Okay, so let's get started. So I will be using basically, okay, let's get started. HTML. So I have made this syntax and this is the file. Make sure that you keep a note in the file name, that is practice.html. Okay, so give the title called anchor example. Okay, I'm giving the title anchor example. Okay, you can give anything according to your choice. And let me apply anchor tag in this body section. So A stand for anchor tag. Okay, so A stand for anchor tag, and here RHEFUC basically is hyperlink reference. So H stand for hyperlink, REF stand for reference. Okay, so which section you want to refer, means which link you want to refer. So I want that my page should move from this particular practice.html to new.html. So there is an already made file, as you can see, that is HTML that we have already made in the previous tutorial, that was new. So I will be basically writing over here the file, the part name, all the reference link. Okay, so new.html, fine, and we will write something over here so that on clicking on that particular thing it gets converted or it gets diverted to that particular link. Okay, so I will write click me. Okay, click me, control S, save as control S, and just check it out whether we are getting or not. So let me execute this, open with Google Chrome. Okay, so let's see whether it is opening or not. Okay, fine, so it has opened. So let me click whether it is we are getting or not. Yes, we are getting this type of page. Okay, that means our page is basically getting, or you can link these two pages or these two links. Basically we can link these two link. One thing I noticed that we noticed that when clicking on this click me, we got the same tab, right? Before that I want to make that, I should make over here one link so that I can directly transfer to the anchor tag, so that I will not use this back. Okay, I will be directly clicking on the link and I will be directly jump to this page. Okay, how can we do? We can just bring the reverse thing which we have done, that we will apply this section, that is RAHREF in this particular thing. Let me show you. Let me open the file and show you. New, I will open new, and over here I will be applying anchor tag in this particular HTML page. Okay, so I will be using href. Which page it is going to refer, that is practice.html. Okay, practice.html. okay, I should display over a message so that I can click, that is anchor page. Control S, save it and just check it whether we are getting or not. So refresh, first of all refresh it, click me, again we are getting a link over here, it is not coming. So there is something mistake we have to notice. So it is not coming, right? So there is something mistake. So what is the mistake? Let me have a look. There can be many mistakes. Okay, so first of all check this spelling. I have made a mistake in this spelling, so make sure that you also do the same thing. Do not do mistake. Okay, so control S and just run it whether we are getting or not. Let me back it, refresh it, click me. Okay, I want to again go back to the previous page. Yes, we have reached to our previous page. Okay, this was what? This was internal or external. This was external. Now I want to do internal links. But what I want is that basically I want to open this, I want to click this one and it should open in a new tab. I want this particular thing. I want to click on this thing and I want that it should open in another tab. So it should open in another tab. Okay, how this can be done? So this can be done easily by applying a property that is called target. So we will be applying target equals to, what we will do, we are going to transfer this space to a new tab which will be used blank. Okay, that will be blank. So we will be blank using blank. Save as, refresh this page and click. See, it came. Okay, for Mercury tag, fine, this is for Mercury tag, but you can do for this practice also. Okay, so for that what I will be doing is that I will be copying simply this section, I will be copying it, copy, done, and I will be simply pasting over here so that it will be applicable for both. Control S, cancel it and just check whether we are getting or not. Okay, back it, refresh it, refresh it, done, click me. You can see it came in a new tab. Again I want to click this particular thing, I want that you should also open in a new tab. See, we are getting in a new tab. So this is very important topic in web development, as well as which is a core part of web development, that is called anchor tag. Hope so you understood. If any doubt, you can simply ask me in a comment section, and please do subscribe, like and comment in my channel. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe so that I can make more and more videos for you. So thank you.